To activate your Milestone card, follow these simple steps. First, ensure you have received your card in the mail and have all necessary information, including your card number, expiration date, and security code. Next, visit the official Milestone card website and click on the Activate Card option. You will be prompted to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you have entered the required information, click on the Submit button to proceed with the activation process. You will then be asked to create a username and password for your online account, which will allow you to manage your card and track your transactions. Choose a strong and unique password to protect your account from unauthorized access. After creating your username and password, you will be required to set up security questions and answers, which will help you recover your account in case you forget your login credentials. Answer the security questions truthfully and keep the answers secure to prevent others from accessing your account. Finally, review and agree to the terms and conditions of your Milestone card, which outline the rules and regulations of using your card. Once you have completed these steps, your card will be activated and ready for use. You can verify the activation status by calling the customer service number or checking your online account. It is essential to keep your card and account information secure to prevent identity theft and unauthorized transactions. Always monitor your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to the customer service immediately. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully activate your Milestone card and start using it for your financial transactions.